Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Kong Medical's full dentures, which supposedly feature strong suction technology that stays in place without any adhesives. Because nothing screams fine dining quite like the constant fear of your teeth making a break for at mid-steak. They claim these are made from flexible, durable, and stain-resistant materials that magically adapt to your gums over time. It sounds like a dream, or perhaps just a very expensive hallucination. Let's dig into the reality behind these claims. First, let's talk about those convincing before and after images on their website. They look great, mostly because a quick reverse image search reveals they were shamelessly copied from other websites. If a company can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own product, you have to wonder if the product even exists in this dimension. That's a massive red flag. If they're ghosting the truth on their homepage, how can we trust what's going into your mouth? Next up are the certifications. They proudly claim to be CE certified, clinically tested, and FDA approved. It's very reassuring until you realize they haven't provided a single actual document or certificate to back it up. It's the digital equivalent of me claiming to be an astronaut just because I once looked at the moon through a Pringles tube. Buying a medical device without verified safety standards isn't just a gamble. It's an invitation for trouble. Then there's the award-winning customer support. If by support, you mean sending an email into a void and waiting for a reply that may never come. There's no phone number and no live chat. So if your new teeth don't fit, you'll have plenty of time to practice your silent, frustrated screaming. They use fancy buzzwords like unique suction technology and adaptive design, but provide zero testing data. Automatically adjusts over time is usually just marketing speak for, we hope you get used to the pain. Finally, let's look at the testimonials. The reviews on their site are so polished and perfect they practically glow with insincerity. Meanwhile, on actual human platforms like Reddit or Trustpilot, there is a total silence. It's almost as if real customers don't exist. After looking at the stolen photos, missing certifications, and suspicious reviews, it's safe to say Kong Medical is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Save your money and stick to professionals. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.